3 months ago, a person had no idea that AI would change their life forever. This isn't just another tech buzzword, it's a game changer. But let's rewind and set the stage. In early 2026, person, a seasoned trader based in New York City, was struggling. The stock market seemed unpredictable, and traditional methods weren't cutting it anymore. That's when they stumbled upon two powerful AI tools, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and ChatGPT. Both promised to revolutionize trading. But which one delivered? Enter Dreamina Seedance 2.0. This AI tool, launched in January 2026, claimed to analyze historical stock data with unprecedented accuracy. It used advanced machine learning algorithms to spot patterns that humans couldn't see. Intrigued, person decided to put it to the test. But here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT, the popular language model, also entered the fray. Traders were using it to generate insights and predictions. So, person set up a side-by-side comparison. The challenge? To find a pattern in the stock market that had eluded traders for decades. As the days turned into weeks, person fed both tools massive datasets. The tension was palpable. Would Dreamina Seedance 2.0 live up to its hype? Or would ChatGPT prove its versatility once again? And then something unexpected happened. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 started to reveal a pattern in the stock market that had been hidden for 20 years. It was a recurring cycle in certain tech stocks that no human analyst had ever spotted. Person was stunned. Could this be the breakthrough they've been waiting for? But the real surprise is coming. As person delved deeper, they realized that ChatGPT wasn't far behind. It too was uncovering valuable insights. However, there was a twist. The way each tool presented its findings was vastly different. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 offered precise, data-driven conclusions. ChatGPT, on the other hand, provided contextual explanations that helped traders understand the bigger picture. The climax came when person combined the strengths of both tools. They used Dreamina Seedance 2.0 to identify the hidden pattern and ChatGPT to interpret its implications. The result? A trading strategy that yielded impressive returns. But what happened next changed everything. Person didn't stop there. They shared their findings with the trading community, sparking a revolution in how traders approach the market. The combination of AI tools proved to be a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage AI tools for your own trading success. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new niche content every single day. The next story is even crazier.